Hi friends, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a birthday card today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Why don't we make a birthday card today? For this, we will require a colored A4 size paper and a few origami papers. Now, why don't we fold the origami paper from side to side? And let's repeat the same step once again. Now, why don't we open it and then cut it from the middle? Yes, we need to cut on all the 3 lines. Yes, we need to start cutting from the center line. Now, let's fold it like this and then start cutting thin strips in standing line. Make the strips as thin as possible. Also, you need to make sure that you do not cut the entire part. You have to keep some space on the top. Also, if you noticed, we folded our big A4 size paper into 2 equal parts, just like a card. Also, we have written Happy Birthday on top. Now, why don't we open this entire thing and start cutting from the center where we have this center line. Similarly, let's do the same thing for our yellow color. We will fold it one time, fold it another time, and then open it. After opening it, we will cut on the center line and then fold it and start cutting in standing line. Make sure you do not cut it till the top. Let's complete cutting the entire strip. And then, why don't we cut it on the center line? Great! We have 2 strips of yellow and 2 strips of pink. Now why don't we repeat the steps and do the same thing for the other paper as well? Great! We have 4 strips of yellow now and 4 strips of pink. The next step is we will put some glue right on top and then stick it on our card. Once we are done with this, why don't we take a pink strip and stick it on top? Yes, it needs to overlap the other strip. Now, let's take alternate strips which are yellow, pink, and so on. Let's stick it till the word birthday. Make sure you do not use a lot of glue. Once we are done sticking this, why don't we start writing happy birthday? Yes, we will sketch it with our sketch pen. Also, make sure that you do not sketch the sleeping lines. We've made the sleeping line so that the letters are of equal size. Now, why don't we color the heart with red sketch pen? And after that, let's start erasing all the pencil marks. If you wish to, you can also get these frills a little up so that they look 3D. You can also use your pencil to do the same. Inside, why don't we write whatever we like? You can write dear and love. So, dear whosoever you want to write it for, and love your name. Also, you can write your birthday wishes in the center. Start writing it with a pencil first, and after that, write it with a sketch pen right on top of it. After that, why don't we erase all the pencil marks? And your birthday card is ready!
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for our next video.